All of our biggest problem is obscurity. If they don't know us, they can't flow us. Like Derek with his martial arts academy. If he just called 5 school districts, 5 HR directors, 5 whatever groups that might be able to send people to martial art, you know, like, you're like, God, that has nothing to do with what it's the same thing, right? Like, what's the time it's going to take Derek to call 5 companies and just say, hey, I just wanted to raise my hand, let you know I'm out here. If your people ever need an out-of-the-box way of getting the stress out, of getting focused, of kind of leaving work behind, I am out here. I nerd out on this stuff. I believe we've probably had a few of your employees come through our program. Deal me in. Anything you want to talk about in terms of making sure that your employees are feeling great, they're doing great, and that they've got a welcoming environment outside of the workplace. I love this stuff. I live and breathe it. I'm kind of a nerd on it. Just want to let you know I'm out here, right? If he did that, he'd probably get some companies that were like, can you give us a deal for bringing, 40 of our people over to do a intro to kickboxing or whatever? It's amazing when you just raise your hand.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends, and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business, and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.